Hi everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video to show y'all how to solder a shutoff valve under a sink, supply shutoff to copper pipe. What I did is I took the handle off and everything so it wouldn't be melt the rubber washers and stuff, because the torch I've got gets pretty hot. So what I did here is I already fluxed it and stuff. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to line it up. And I got a big bucket of water ready in case this wood decides to self-ignite. Alright, let's do this. Alright, y'all, got the flame on low. Come on. This is brass. A chrome-plated brass shutoff. So I'm trying not to smoking like. Whoops. Don't need a lot of heat for these shutoff valves. All you need is the tip of the flame touching it. There it is. There's the first one. Now I gotta do the second one. So I'm gonna put the camera over on the other side and show y'all that in a minute.